Hey, Gil here with MIDCURRENT, and welcome to Inside the Box, where we unpackage right here with you some really cool fly fishing and other outdoor gear. Today, we're looking at Korkers All Axis Shoot. We're going to share with you our thoughts in regards to features, functions, and overall first impressions, right out of the box. All right, let's open this thing up. Wow, extremely lightweight, extremely breathable. You know, Korkers really designed these to dry as quickly as possible, and you can see that from the design right off the bat. You know, other than being extremely lightweight and breathable, Korkers Omni-Track system, that's this right here. It's an interchangeable sole, so if you're fishing your home water and you like felt, you can have yourself a felt sole, and when you go to switch up to other waters, or you can switch to something like this that's completely rubber, or if you got your cleats in and you want to go jump into a drift boat, simply just switch out the soles here and you don't have to worry about scratching up your buddy's boat. So just to speak to the features, the All Access shoe comes standard with the Omni-Track system and the Rail Track sole. The shoe is constructed with hydrophobic material that allows it to dry faster by not absorbing any water. On the side of the shoe, you're going to notice a durable mono mesh that really helps your feet breathe, keeps out sediment, and helps you enjoy a comfortable day on the water. Looking inside the shoe, there's all these little channels throughout the midsole that allow water to drain out, keeping your feet dry in between spots. And the padded rim around the ankle support will provide all the comfort you need for a day on the river. The All Access shoe comes with a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. It's priced at $181 USD, $247 Canadian, or $169 for our European friends. The Korkers All Access shoe can be purchased at your local Korkers dealer or by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching today's video on Korkers All Axis Shoe. I'm Gil with MIDCURRENT, and we'll catch you in the next one.